Let us learn together. 5 little bluebirds rhyme. 5 little bluebirds hopping by my door. One went to build a nest and then there were 4. 4 little bluebirds singing lustily. One got out of tune and then there were 3. 3 little bluebirds, and what should one do but go in search of dinner, leaving only 2? 2 little bluebirds singing for fun. One flew away and then there were 1. 1 little bluebird sitting in the sun. He took a little nap and then there were none. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you again with another rhyme.